Olutami Olajuwon Bello, a 200 level student from the Department of English here in the Lagos State University.
My name is Ogunjimi Taofiko Tadenike, a student of Lagos State University, Department of Medicine and Surgery.
My name is Bashir Taiwo Farouk, a student of Lagos State University studying biochemistry.
Hi everybody, I am Ramla Adiola Karim, a 200 level student, Department of Accounting, Lagos State University.
I heard about the Stanbic IBTC University Scholarship from a friend who had been a beneficiary of the scholarship.
I got to hear of the University Scholarship Program through a WhatsApp group chat that I joined in 2021. Yes, because I'm a beneficiary of the 2022 set.
I came across the Stanbic IBTC University Scholarship in the year 2020, the year I took my JAM examination. So I decided to click on the link to check the requirements, and fortunately for me, I found out that I made the requirements, so I decided to take my shots and apply.
I heard about the Stanbic IBTC scholarship through a friend on WhatsApp, and I received the message, and I checked the requirements and I saw I was eligible for it.
The application process was really easy and straightforward for me.
I was very happy to be shortlisted because I felt like it was a great opportunity, and for the fact that I'll be getting a financial support really made me happy.
When I got the mail that I've been shortlisted, I was really excited and I was grateful to Stanbic IBTC.
The scholarship has impacted my academic performance in many ways because I know that there is something in it for me after my semester examination. So I try as much as possible to read that and make my parents proud and also make Stanbic IBTC proud.
The financial support has really helped because it has assisted me in paying my school fees promptly and then buying textbooks that aid my understanding in school. I've been able to write my professional exams with the help of Stanbic IBTC fund, and now I'm done with my ATS program and now an AAT holder. Yeah.
The financial support will reduce my financial burden, so it's going to help me focus more on my studies.
I recommended the scholarship program to my friends last month. For this present 2024 list, I recommended the scholarship program to those I know who just sat for their exams, and I will do so over and over again.
This is a great opportunity that every student needs to have access to. I really recommend it to everybody.
I would advise them to work hard and stay focused.
There are a lot of notable experiences I've had with Stanbic IBTC Bank. So the one that I attended last was in the year last month. So it's called Youth Leadership Conference. So in University of Lagos. So I decided to participate, and I'm also asked to invite some of my friends. So I met a lot of industry leaders and sharing their experience.
I would like to say a very big thank you to Stanbic IBTC for the financial support through the scholarship.
Thank you very much, Stanbic IBTC, for giving me something to look forward to every semester, and thank you for making the financial burden on my parents reduce. Thank you very much.
Stanbic IBTC, I want to say a big thank you to you for supporting my academic journey for 4 good years. It's not an easy journey to me, but I just want to use this opportunity to say thank you to you because for supporting me and all other people all over the country. May God continue to enrich the company. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you so much, Stanbic IBTC. You have really done a great thing in my life. I really appreciate it and I love you.